This is the Blacksmithing Club. Tonight we're doing an open forge, so it's open to anyone on campus. They can come in, experience blacksmithing for the first time, try their hand in it, mess around. So LaBelle Labs is great for getting students engaged in things that you don't necessarily think of when you think of engineering, such as casting and blacksmithing, board game design, stuff like that. Blacksmithing specifically has a weird application to engineering. You do learn a lot of functional materials. In class, we learn about material science and what is hardening, how to harden, but here you get practical experience. What is the difference between a hardened tool and a non-hardened tool? I love GCU for a lot of reasons. I really liked that when I came here, I was not just a number. Here at GCU, it's a little more personal. I know my professors, they know me, and I get a lot more unique experiences like running a blacksmithing club and starting stuff like this that I wouldn't have at a bigger university. 2 days before I moved into campus, I started working in the shops, learning how to weld, learning how to machine, and that's been influential in my career without a doubt. When I go to interviews and they say, oh, you say you have experience on these tools, what does that mean? And it's like, oh, I've ran this machine, I've done projects, here are the projects I've done in class and outside of class. They're blown away every time. GCU is great at getting you plugged in and affording you the opportunities that are there if you want to take them. I was able to find my church family here, get connected with church, and find people that are of like-minded, even in the engineering field, where it can be pretty secular overall. So it's great to have that facility given. I found my purpose through engineering and through the opportunities I was afforded in learning hands-on stuff such as blacksmithing, getting exposed to things that I wouldn't have been exposed to had I not come to GCU.